In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the HSW and get a free HSW upgrade here in GTA 5 Online. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, HSW stands for How Special Works, and it gives select vehicles major performance upgrades. You can also earn one free HSW upgrade, which can be worth anywhere between $500,000 to $2 million. To get started, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your map. So go ahead and open that up, and what you're looking for specifically is going to be House Vehicle Workshop. This is going to be up here, similar to where this pizza thing is, just in this section, so keep that in mind, right on this road right here. So pin this, go to this area, and once you are here, go ahead and step into the yellow circle outside, and this is going to start an HSW time trial. For the time trial, you're going to be given a vehicle and asked to drive to a specific destination within the time limit. The game gives you 8 minutes and 10 seconds. And you don't need a perfect run to complete it, so it is pretty forgiving. Whenever you do finish the trial though, Hal will call you, and after that point, you'll be able to enter the Los Santos car meet and access the HSW upgrades for compatible vehicles. You'll also be granted one free HSW upgrade, which is why this is 100% worth doing. It's recommended to use the free upgrade on a more expensive vehicle like the Banshee GTS to get the most value out of it, since HSW upgrades are available for select vehicles, including ones like the Cyclone 2 and other high-performance cars, but that is it. Once you do complete that time trial, you'll be good to go. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.